We're at the Nagshead RSPB Nature Reserve in the Forest of Dean. The pond here, loads of life here. Loads of dragonflies, different dragonflies and damselflies. Tadpoles, loads of tadpoles. It's alive. Hopefully you can see those black clumps. They're actually tadpoles. There is loads of tadpoles in here. Yeah, this little pond is really alive. I'm not sure if that's a deer. Is that a deer print? Or is it boar? You get both in here. I've seen boar not far from here before. A tiny little video I put up once before. Brief shot of them. Lots of people walking about with some serious cameras and some serious zoom lenses. Chap down there just now was trying to photograph a white throat. I've never even heard of one. Old ivy on that tree, oak tree in it. A lot of oak trees here. Yeah, a lot of serried bird watchers here. There's a little bus come down from Nottinghamshire. They're our way to come. Another one of those just unusual tree sculptures. Dead tree, the ivy on it. Oh, look at that. We've got Mr. Dung Beetle again. Lots in the forest. It's a lower pond, looking from the hide.